Hello everyone, this is Yunhao Kayla. Here I would like to present my final term project. The dataset I have used is red wine quality dataset. In this project, I have constructed multiple classification models of the red wine quality and based on evaluation metrics to find out the best model that gives the highest accuracy. So I started with loading the CSV file into the data frame. And as part of data analysis, I have checked the type of data for each attributes. The dependent variables are all float, and the quality score is all in integer. There are 1,599 records in total, and with no missing values. However, there's some duplicated records, so I have removed them from the dataset. When I'm checking the distribution of red wine quality rate, I have seen that majority of the dataset is having a quality score with 5 and 6, which means this dataset is quite unbalanced. And also by considering that for the wine quality, I have classified them in between 0 to 10 with 11 classes. So there are some classes with 0 testing data and training data and the testing data at all. The correlation heat map has been used as part of analysis, and it does show how the correlations how are the dependent variables are correlating with the with output quality. And from the heat map, we can see alcohol has the highest positive correlation with quality. There are some variables shows almost no correlation with quality. For example, residual sugar, free sulfur-dioxide, and also there are some negative correlations with quality from variables such as volatile acidity, chlorides, and etc. I've also tried to find out the outliers for each single variable by displaying the dist plot for all features. This is a box plot for that. Basically shows the same information. For example, we can see total sulfur dioxide has a lot of outliers, and even some of the outliers are far away from the majority of the observations. The literature review I've done I found multiple ways for removing the outliers. For example, one approach involves employing the IQR. Basically, you're trying to remove all the outliers beyond and below the maximum and the minimum over here. In this study, the way I try to detect outliers and removing them is to find any values that are above 3 standard deviation from the mean of the columns. So after removing, we do see some of the outliers that showing up in the previous diagram have been removed, for example here. By removing the outliers, you will increase the accuracy for the models. Here I have tested with decision tree, logistic regression, and SVC techniques by using sklearn library. It does show that the SVC model gives the highest accuracy. And also, as suggested, I have used the PyCarita library. It has a lot of algorithm built in. With this, I was able to compare baseline models and try to find the best one according to the performance metrics such as accuracy, AUC, recall, precision, F1 score. From here, we can see random forest classifier gives the highest accuracy with almost 59%. There are also other ways to make the performance better. For example, we can tune the parameters and then we can check the performance for each model. So over here, I have set the normalize and transformation to true. So basically, I've explained here, it transforms the features by scaling them to a given range and applies the power transform to make data more Gaussian-like. From the result, we do see that for this actual tree classifier, the accuracy has increased and is about 59%. Even though the accuracy is not that high, like an 80%, like a 95%, and 96%, but we have to understand what's the meaning of accuracy in this case, since I have classified the quality score to from 0 to 10 with 11 classes. So this accuracy score is not showing how close the prediction result is from the actual data. So for example, if you predict the model we use to predict the result with a score of 5, but actual data gives a score of 6, then it's being considered as a wrong prediction. So it wouldn't be considered as part of the correct answer. Thank you.